Hi, this is Terry Strom at you. Having a good time here on a Sunday afternoon at the barbecue out in the backyard. You know, it's interesting. I started out in engineering and I was managing a group of engineers in downtown LA. I got an MBA from USC, you know, the Trojans that won a few games here recently. But the thing was, I was working that job. I was doing okay. But did you ever think that maybe you could do something better or you could do more than, you know, what you originally thought you could? I remember I kept thinking that. I go, there could be something more. I used to every, Sunday, I'd pull out the Sunday paper and I'd comb through the jobs looking for this a really cool job or something that would totally use all of my assets. And, it never came. But I finished the MBA and I started, thinking about, business. And I got involved kind of in marketing and sales, and then I got out of school, and I met a gentleman and started talking about, some sort of business, a distribution business, and I thought, well, what's that? And it was low cost, low startup, things like that. I thought, well, what is it? And it turned out to be a network marketing business, and this was in the early '90s. And by the mid '90s, I was making 4 or 5 times what I made in my engineering. And, I eventually left the engineering because of that and, started my own business, and it took off. But it was like, because I just wasn't satisfied where I was. But the thing was, you got to change to be different. An engineer, I was like one of these guys that calculator guy, quick draw my calculator, the computer, all that stuff. I really didn't deal with people. But I read this book called How to Win Friends and Influence, People by Dale Carnegie. And I remember this one thing it talked about, Smiling. I read it this one weekend, and I read just a chapter of Smiling. And, I was this hard driving engineering manager, and pushing everybody, never smiled, always just total cranking. And so what happened was I read it on like a Sunday, and the next morning I thought, what I'm going to do? I'm going to go to work, and I'm just going to smile today. You see what happens? Anyway, I was smiling all day, and by the end of the day, several people walked up to me, what's up? Are you okay? What's wrong? And I noticed there was something different. I thought, what if I were to learn more about these people skills and communication skills, and especially for a technical person, And so I did that. I started training myself. I was reading all the books I could, seminars, different things on communication skills and for technical people and people skills. Ended up to the point where I was teaching people. Man, I've trained over 250,000 network marketers in those areas of people skills and communication skills, and how to build their network marketing business and team building and things like that from an engineer. But it's because I decided to read. It's because I decided to learn. I decided to better myself. Make yourself a self-improvement project. Wherever you are, you can go a lot further if you decide to take some time and just develop yourself. Anyway, I got to get back to the barbecue here. So you have a great day. And remember, if you want to take a look at my website, just kind of learn some stuff on people skills, communication skills, just go to terrystrom.com. Terrystrom.com. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.